Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn 50 English sentences for daily use. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So without wasting of time, let's begin. दूसरों को मत बताएं. Don't tell others. दूसरों को मत बताएं. Don't tell others. क्या वो नहीं जानती? Does not she know? क्या वो नहीं जानती? Does not she know? कौन से वाला उठाना है? Which one to pick? Which one to pick? इसको कबूल करें या ना करें? Accept this or not? Accept this or not? तुम्हारा मसला क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? Problem mean मसला. क्या मैं आपको कुछ बता सकता हूँ? Can I tell you something? Can I tell you something? उसे ऑफिस ले चलो. Take him to the office. Take him to the office. उसे ऑफिस ले चलो. हल तलाश करें. Find the solution. Find the solution. Solution mean हल. रिश्ता मत ख़त्म करो. Don't break up. Don't break up. रिश्ता मत ख़त्म करो. तुम चाहते क्या हो? What do you want? What do you want? तुम चाहते क्या हो? मैं तुमसे बात करना चाहती हूँ. I want to talk you. I want to talk you. मैं तुमसे बात करना चाहती हूँ. नहीं, मैं नहीं समझा. No, I did not understand. No, I did not understand. Understand mean समझना. जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं. Barking dogs seldom bite. Barking dogs seldom bite. जितना हो सके साफ लिखो. Write as neatly as you can. Write as neatly as you can. Your food is getting cold. तुम्हारा खाना ठंडा हो रहा है. Your food is getting cold. Come and meet everyone. आओ और सबसे मिलो. Come and meet everyone. I will see you tomorrow. मैं आपसे कल मिलूँगा. I will see you tomorrow. It's too cold outside. बाहर बहुत सर्दी है. It's too cold outside. Trust your heart. अपने दिल पर भरोसा करें. Trust your heart. It's all about luck. ये सब किस्मत के बारे में है. It's all about luck. I cannot stay here. मैं यहाँ नहीं रह सकता. I cannot stay here. I promise. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. Keep your eyes down. अपनी आंखें नीचे रखो. Keep your eyes down. Where do you swim? तुम कहाँ तैरते हो? Where do you swim? Swim mean तैरना. Don't take this so pricey. इसे इतना महंगा मत समझो. Don't take this so pricey. What do you know about her? तुम उसके बारे में क्या जानते हो? What do you know about her? I don't know anything. मैं कुछ नहीं जानता. I don't know anything. You should know. तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए. You should know. Excuse me. माफ़ कीजिएगा. Excuse me. We are always with you. हम हमेशा आपके साथ हैं. We are always with you. Never consider yourself alone. खुद को कभी तन्हा मत समझो. Never consider yourself alone. You can always come to meet me. आप हमेशा मुझसे मिलने आ सकते हैं. You can always come to meet me. Don't act like a child. बच्चों की तरह हरकत ना करें. Don't act like a child. Hard work pays off. मेहनत रंग लाती है. Hard work pays off. What is happening here? यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? What is happening here? You are so innocent. तुम बहुत मासूम हो. You are so innocent. It was nice to see you. आपको देखकर अच्छा लगा. It was nice to see you. Don't mess with me. मेरे साथ गड़बड़ मत करो. Don't mess with me. You are taking too long. आप बहुत ज़्यादा वक्त ले रहे हैं. You are taking too long. We may be able to get this secret. हो सकता है हम ये राज जान सकें. We may be able to get this secret. I am asking you. मैं तुमसे पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking you. Don't be in a hurry. जल्दी ना करो. Don't be in a hurry. He is not in good health. उसकी सेहत खराब है. He is not in good health. That's not good thing. ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. That's not good thing. It does not matter. इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. It does not matter. Don't give him anything. उसे कुछ ना दो. Don't give him anything. Think about her. उसके बारे में सोचो. Think about her. Why are you so sad? आप इतनी परेशान क्यों हैं? Why are you so sad? What do you want? आप क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? Get out from here. यहाँ से चले जाओ. Get out from here. Get it out from here. इसे यहाँ से निकालो. Get it out from here. I have spoken English. मैंने अंग्रेज़ी बोली है. I have spoken English. It's not yours. ये तुम्हारा नहीं है. It's not yours. What do you teach? तुम क्या पढ़ाते हो? What do you teach? Why are you angry with me? तुम मुझसे नाराज़ क्यों हो? Why are you angry with me? How dare you? तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you? Try to understand. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Come here once. एक बार यहाँ आओ.